Yo guys, welcome back to another Tesla update video. Today I'm going to be talking about my thoughts and what to expect next with Tesla. As you can see, we traded pretty flat today, down a little bit in the after hours, but guys, the main thing to look at is we still could not fill that gap. That gap to be filled is move up to 430, which obviously we got up to 428 and got smacked down again. And like I've been saying, and like I told my members, guys, we need to see that gap filled. When you see that gap filled, when you see price at 430 before I can start turning bullish on the stock. And until then, yeah, guys, we're probably going to get smacked out. And I've been telling you guys, my members this in my Discord. Go ahead, check it out. The link's in the top of my description. It's only $5 a month, but I'll post about 10 updates for each NVIDIA and Tesla every single day. Give me key levels to look out for. Give me good buying positions. Letting you know things like this gap resistance, letting you know resistances and supports. So yeah, definitely go check it out. People are really seem to like it. But getting into this, guys, going in tomorrow, again, you have a shot to fill this gap. As you can see, 1 hour SMI is towards the bottom of the indicator, but not yet extended like I'd want to see before we want to find a bottom. Every time we get extended to the downside, like these two situations, we tend to find a bottom, but no, we're not quite there yet, suggesting that we still have room to bleed. So if we can't fill this gap tomorrow up at 430 and we get rejected by this purple zone at 423, guys, it does open a path below these lows at 415-ish, and we could see the bottomless purple zone at 405. That is definitely a possibility. And around that time, yeah, the SMI will be extended to the downside, and then probably this 405 would be a pretty good bottom. But guys, the main thing I want to see for the bulls, obviously, is filling that gap. But if we can at least close tomorrow above this purple zone at 423.5, then that gives me some hope that the bulls are still there. That gives me hope that we're not going to make this move back down to 405. So yeah, those are kind of things I'm looking for tomorrow. Obviously, this gap acting as a huge resistance. So we want to see, ideally, the bulls want to see 430. 430 and fill that gap. That shows a lot of bullish momentum. From there, we'll probably see 440. Past that, 450, the mid 450s. That is if we can claim that zone as support, which obviously it's been a huge resistance. But the semi-bullish outlook is if we just, of course, get smacked down by the zone gap. We don't fill 430, but we could close the day above this purple zone at 423, which, as you can see, we haven't really had a clean close above this purple zone for the past few days. So closing above that would be a good bullish development for the stock. But guys, if we can't get either of those, then we're probably going to be dipping down. Unfortunately, probably dipping below 415 and coming down to that 405 support. Which, if we get that, of course, I do think it'll be probably a pretty decent time to buy. As those SMIs will be extended to the downside. You go up to that 4 hour, you see the 4 hour is at the bottom but not yet extended. So if we can get that move down, we'll probably a good time to start looking for a bottom. But until then, guys, the main things to look out for is ideally the bulls can fill this gap at 430. If not, at least close above this purple zone at 423.5. And if we can't get that, then this move down is probably going to happen. And right now, guys, unfortunately, I do lean kind of bearish. We've had 2 bull traps the past 2 days. People think we're going to fill this gap and then continuously getting smacked down. And then this move up at the end of the day makes me think that we're probably going to get another move down. So, yeah, watch out for those things. If you're a bull, watch out for these closes above this purple zone. But if we don't get that, do not be surprised if we do make a move back down to 405-ish. And yeah, guys, definitely go check out my Discord. There'll be live updates as the market's trading. So definitely go check it out. Links to my citizen. Yeah, peace.